Hey guys, everything like out to here. I think this will be mini fire alarm system test 5 or mini fire alarm system test 5. So yeah, so let's get started. Okay guys, so you might be wondering, well, what do you guys have set up for, what I have for set up for my mini system? Well, I'm going to show you. You notice something? It's 90s. So this is all 90s right here. All this is 90s. So we got from the 90s era, so we got the MBT10. So basically in a building, like a 90s building, you'll probably see this, possibly, but you know, buildings, different 90 buildings will differ, but you know what I'm saying anyway. You know what I'm talking about, but anyway. So we got the MBT10, or yeah, the Notify MBT10, which I got from Kyle D'Amato, which still be a link in the channel down below. Follow still all the test videos. So this is also from that era, the 90s. We also have the Wheelock MT, MT24 LSMVFR. This is also from the 90s. It's also code 3 horn set to that. Got the System Tester 2424, which is also from that era, from the 90s. And we got the Wheelock RS 245075 VFR, which is also from the 90s. Or maybe for the late 90s, I'm not sure, but yeah. So yeah, this is where it's getting to. So we're going for the 90s now. So this is basically what it is. So on the panel up. So there's the panel. A little bit changes in here. We got the switched out with a button switch, so I can just get reset from our latching button here to reset the smoke detectors in case when it goes activated. So anyway, so this is take 2 because again this thing fell off the wall. Well, it doesn't do it again, so yeah, so here we go. So we're gonna activate the MBT10. Silence. I'll probably take 2 hands to reset this. I don't think, but let's see. I don't know, but let's see. Goes. Please don't break. Like that, and we'll reset. Okay, so now we're going to test the 2424. So I'm going to use the same thing here, except I'm going to poke into a little hole. And so yeah, we'll activate the 2424. So yeah, so we'll test it right here, and hopefully I can reach up there. Here we go. Silence. So yeah, so there's 2424 now activated. So we'll reset that. And now we'll reset. Here's the RS and the MT's flashing now. Remote soluble silence. Alarm silence light on, so that means all the silence. Sharp will keep flashing. So yeah, so now we're going to reset. And that's it. So yeah, that is mini fire alarm system test 5, 90s. Or 90s era, you can say. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked it.